We are staying at the Spark by Hilton for our pre-cruise stay here at Houston Hobby Airport. Let's check it out. So this is the lobby of the Spark Hotel. And the front desk is right when you come in. They do have a little store area. They do have a hotel shuttle too that is complimentary to the airport. This is the breakfast here at Spark. I haven't even looked at it yet. Sorry, I just woke up, I haven't talked yet. So they have some bagels and muffins, some hard-boiled eggs, some cereal, oatmeal, they have some yogurt, and then some juice. So this is room 220. It is just your standard double queen size room. When you come in, your bathroom is going to be right here, and it has your shampoo, or your body lotion and your hand soap, and does have a full tub and a shower head, and then has your shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. The gentleman at the front desk was extremely nice. He was very, very kind. So it was a very good experience. They do have your iron and ironing board with your hair dryers in here. It does have a refrigerator. And then behind here is your microwave. So you do get a microwave, that's nice. And then the cabinets up above are just storage. You do get a little sink area out here. When you come out, you have your full-length mirror, your sofa area, and then your 2 queen-size beds, your TV area, your desk area, and then this is your temperature controls over here. And this room actually looks out into the front of the building, into the parking lot.